Hi students, take your math book, page number 104. Today I am going to explain about the definition of point of intersection. Two lines L and M intersect if they have a point in common. These common points are known as point of intersection. Let us see the figure. This is the one line L. This is another one line M. These two lines can intersect. That point is O. This point is called a point of intersection. Okay, then see the definition of transversal. A line that intersect two or more line at distinct points is called a transversal. A line that intersect two or more line. Let us see the diagram. This is the one line. That line can intersect two or more line. Okay, this is the best example of transversal. The next see how to find the angle made by a transversal. This is very important one. This box and this figure is very important one. See this figure. In this figure, let us find the interior angle. What is the meaning of interior? Interior means inside angle. What are they? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These four angles are interior angle. Interior angle means inside angle. Exterior angle. Exterior angle means outside. So exterior angle means outside angle. What are they? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. These four angles are exterior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6. These angles are interior angle. This 1, 2, 7 and 8. These angles are exterior angles. Then pairs of corresponding angles. Pairs of corresponding pairs. Pairs of means you have to select one pair. First select one pair. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. This is one pair and another one pair is angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 1 and angle 5. Then angle 2 and angle 6. Then angle 3 and angle 7. Then angle 4 and angle 8. So totally in this figure 4 angles. Okay, 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Pair, that is very important. Pairs of corresponding angles. Then pairs of alternate interior angle. Okay, first see the interior angles. What are they? Here 3, 4, 5, 7. Interior angle means inside angle. In this inside angle, select the alternate. Alternate means opposite angle. Interior angle, opposite angle. First, what are the interior angle? 3, 6, 5 and 4. So, in this 3 angles, we are going to select the opposite angles. What is the opposite angle of 3? Opposite angle of 3 is angle 6. What is the opposite angle of 4? Opposite angle of 4 is angle 5. That's all. Okay. Here pairs. So that 3 and 6, 4 and 5. That's all. Okay. So this one over. Pairs of alternate exterior angle. Exterior angle means what is the meaning? Exterior angle means external angle, outside angle. First see the outside angle. In this outside angle, we are going to find the alternate angle. Alternate means opposite angle. See the outside angle 1, 2, 7 and 8. These 4 are the outside angle. In this 4, okay, now tell the answer. What is the answer of pairs of alternate exterior angle? Okay, in this exterior angle, alternate angle, what are they? Angle 1 and angle 8. Then angle 2 and angle 7. Okay, these are all the pairs of alternate exterior angles. Next, find the pairs of interior angle. Pairs of interior angle. Pairs of interior angle means this inside angle on the same side of the transversal, same side. In this interior angle, you have to select the same sides. What are they? Same sides. These are all the interior angles. In this interior angle, same sides 3 and 5, then 4 and 6. Okay, 3 and 5, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. These are all the pairs of interior angles on the same sides. Okay, in this exercise, this box and this diagram is very important one. First understand the concept of this angles. Okay, then only you can able to do the exercise sum. Okay, today's homework, write this definition first, points of intersecting with this diagram. This is first, write this definition. Then number 2, write this definition transversal and draw this figure. Then draw this figure and write this box. This is third one, diagram with concept. Okay, so first this definition with diagram. Second one, this definition, transversal definition with diagram. Then this tablet column with this diagram. Turn the page. Exercise number 5.2. Try to do the second sum. See this figure. This is the figure. See this figure and find the pair of corresponding angles, pairs of alternate interior angles, pairs of interior angles on the same sides of the transversal, the vertically opposite angle. This second sum alone homework for you. Okay, write the 3 definitions and do this second sum. Okay, take care. Bye.